Hi, this is Savio Rodriguez of the BJP. This afternoon, I sent a letter to the Chief Minister of Goa. The letter is in keeping with the file notings of the Directorate of Vigilance. I have appealed to Dr. Sawant, in all humility, that an investigation should be initiated into the allotment of work to a private agency of rupees 50 crore for the renovation of the Kala Academy without a tender. The Directorate of Vigilance notings have recommended the setting up of a technical committee. It is important for the Chief Minister to expedite the selection and the formation of this technical committee. I believe the Chief Minister of Goa will do whatever it takes to work in the interest of the people of Goa and strengthen the hands of Prime Minister Modi to stem corruption, if any, that is found in his government.